If you need some better lighting for the back of your 2016 through 2023 Toyota Tacoma and you want a unique and stealthy set of taillights to do it with, these Raxium XW Series sequential LED taillights with the black housing and smoked lens will be a great choice. In addition to the increase in lighting and the standout styling being a big benefit to you and your build, if you need the additional visibility out of the back and extra character to your Tacoma, these will also be affordable if you're specifically looking for a set of taillights that will check all of those boxes, including the one that will save you a little bit of cash. The design of these lights here will really stand out with the smoked lens to give it more of that sinister appearance and match with other smoked lighting or black accessories, but also with the lighting itself. The brake, running, and turn signal will all be housed within the dual overlapping fiber optic style light bars in the center and will change with the function, either getting brighter or sequencing for the turn signals for that additional flare. This also has a small inner light bar in the center of that will illuminate with the brake light to help distinguish it from the running light and make drivers more aware of what you're doing. The bright white cluster at the bottom will be your reverse light, which will benefit you as the driver the most. Even with the smoke lens on top, the output of the multiple LEDs will help with visibility when reversing your truck at night. These will have an ABS plastic housing and a polycarbonate lens, which are both pretty standard for aftermarket lighting for their resilience of the plastic holding up very well, and the lens will be impact resistant and weather resistant. The LEDs will also have a huge advantage over other incandescent lighting because they are brighter and higher output, they have a longer lifespan, and they will require no maintenance, allowing you to kind of set these and forget these. Now with that, these will still be plug and play even though you are upgrading to an LED, making it super straightforward when it comes to the install. Now these will be pretty affordable for full taillights, for full LED taillights, should I say, at about $250. Now these will take that non-traditional approach, which will really set them apart from the rest in the category, while also providing a huge upgrade in lighting performance compared to some that may be partially LED and may require you to swap over some of the factory lighting, or will just offer a housing upgrade and will require all of the factory bulbs. Now the design does come down to your personal preference, which is a lot of what lighting is, but if you want a full LED setup with a stealthy smoke lens and a set that's going to be an eye catcher, this is going to be a great pick for you. Install will be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and it will take about an hour or so, but I honestly wouldn't be surprised if you got it done a lot sooner. Now at this point, we can head over to our shop, check out a detailed breakdown on how you can get these onto your Tacoma at home. So that's going to wrap it up for my review. Let's go ahead and jump into the install.
Tools required for this install include a ratchet and a 10mm socket. What's up guys? Today we're installing a set of taillights on our Tacoma, so let's get started. So to remove our factory taillights, we have a 10mm bolt here and then a 10mm bolt here. It's going to be the bottom of the two at the bottom of the taillight. So we'll grab a 10mm socket to take those out, and then we'll disconnect the connectors we have on the back side. And now we have access to our 3 connectors, so we'll just push in the gray tabs and pull them out to release them. And then we'll do that same thing on the other side. So now that we have our factory taillights removed, we can install our new ones. This is just as simple as plugging in the connections, sliding it into place, and bolting it down. Now all 3 connectors are different, so you can't mix anything up. So we'll plug this in and get it installed. So now we can just find the connector that matches up and just push it in until you get the click. And then you can tuck your wires away, slide this into place. And then take your 2 factory bolts, thread those in from the side. And take a 10mm socket to tighten them down. And then you can do that same thing on the other side. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Raxiom XW Series sequential LED taillights with black housing and smoked lens for your 2016 to 23 Tacoma. Thank you for watching, and for all things Tacoma, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.